you ever going to do another unboxing video?
You're in luck, buddy, because I just got this Hot Wheels Monster Truck 2021 F case in the mail. And I think we should open it up right now. Tell you what, Hot Wheels has really been stepping up their game on their monster trucks this year. If you guys want to check out some of the other unboxing videos I've done, I'll put some links above to my other recent Hot Wheels monster truck case unboxings. And now with the assistance of Darth Vader, let's get this unboxing started. Oh, it's always good to open up a brand new pack of monster trucks. And the first one up is One Bad Scoop. And that is One Bad Truck. I really like the colors on there. It's got a couple, looks like a couple flowers there on the top. That's kind of interesting. But I like the colors. Of course, he's a nice heavy truck. He's got those black rims. He's got that green crushable car. Kind of a cool casting. It's got that waffle on top of the hood. And just kind of a unique monster truck. I really like this. And here's the other trucks in the case. But it looks like the crash attack for One Bad Scoop is Cone of Shame. So we'll see what he can do on the track here in the future. But really cool monster truck new for 2021. Next truck up, we have the Oscar Meyer Wienermobile. I tell you what, I already have one of those. I opened this up in a 2020 case quite a while back. And it looks like the exact same casting. So, but always good to have another monster truck Wienermobile. And his crash attack is the Wiener Roast. So that sounds dangerous, but that's a cool truck. All right, next truck up. And that's what I get for trying to sit the box on the side. But look at Pure Muscle. My gosh, these guys. This is one of my favorite castings, but I really like the color. Of course, my daughter's favorite color is purple, so I'm sure this will be high on the favorites list of monster trucks. I love black rims on cars. Has that purple outline. Just a beautiful, beautiful monster truck. Has that black undercarriage. Looks like a chrome engine back there in the back. Has an orange crushable car. Cool decos on the top. And its crash attack's gonna be the Strong Arm Scramble. So that is sweet. Let me show you a couple other versions I've opened. And this is another one that I opened up. I had a monster truck case unboxing where I opened this Gulf Pure Muscle. And I tell you what, these guys are just wicked. Gotta open this guy up and get him racing. All right, next truck up. And the next truck up is Iron Man. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this because it was in a previous unboxing, but he did fairly well in my last King of the Hill. So he's a really cool casting. Always good to have another Iron Man. He's got that green crushable car, and I am excited to have him in the box. So next up, and we have another Bigfoot. Always good to have another Bigfoot. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one either. I've had a previous unboxing video with this truck in it. I like the card. I love the design. I like all the decos. Green crushable car. And his crash attack is the original Stomp. All right, next up, we have the Town Hauler. And I really like these paint schemes they have going on right here. Has that checkered flag on the top, Hot Wheels insignia, and just a variety of other colors. Has that orange undercarriage that matches those orange wheels, and it has a green crushable car. Feels heavy, so looking forward to having that. And then it looks like his crash attack is the Parking Lot Pile Up. So watch out for him in the next King of the Hill. Now this is what I've been waiting for. We have the Jeep, and look at that green colored Jeep. Stickers on the windows and all that mud. I mean, this is awesome. This is unbelievable. I might do another shorts video where I race this against the Invader. I recently did a shorts video with the Invader, seeing if it would fit down the track, and it did. So maybe we'll have an Invader versus Jeep race coming up real soon. But just a really spectacular design. I mean, who comes up with this stuff is just deserves a raise. Of course, it has those brown tracks on it, mud splattered all over, brown undercarriage. Just a gorgeous truck. And it looks like its crash attack is the Off-Road Wrecker. So really awesome. Really excited to have this one. All right, next up. And the last truck in the case is this Hot Wheels Corvette. Always cool to have a Corvette on top of a monster truck. It looks exactly like the one I've opened previously. Who doesn't like chrome wheels? It's got that blue crushable car. And its crash attack is the Vet Jet. So awesome stuff. Let's go over my favorite truck. We have the Town Hauler. And any color combination with this truck is good with me. So really glad to have another one of these. I like the color combination on the Town Hauler. Just a cool overall truck. It feels heavy, always does fairly well on the racetrack. Of course, the standout of the case is the Twisted Tredz series Jeep. I really like it. I like the green and the mud all over. Who doesn't? So, well, that wraps up this unboxing. Like I said earlier, if you guys want to check out some other of my unboxing videos, I'll put the links above. I'd appreciate if you guys gave this video a like, and if you like monster truck unboxing videos, consider hitting your subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. And Darth Vader's trying to steal the show again, but I have an upcoming Monster Truck King of the Hill, and there's a current Decide Your Ride where you guys can become drivers of these monster trucks. And if you win, you'll have forever glory. I hope everybody's doing well. See you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.